Ayan. It's Korean food. This is soup. Fish ball. And this one is, ano?
Sibusan mo eh.
Ito, seafood.
Seafood ito, except for this one.
This one is...
No seafood.
Yeah, this is pork. Pork and it. What is this seafood? Yeah, Korean food. Okay guys, let's eat. It's time for dinner. Last day tonight.
Mika, bitawan mo yan.
Ito sila, mami. Mami. Vlog. Nakahiwalay siya. Yan. Korean food.
Kulang yung space mo.
Daddy. Korean. Mika. Ano mo? Hi, this is Mika. Nanay, tatay. Wala si Neneng. Wala si Mami Neneng. Charles. Oh, Charles. Wala si Nani. Uy, kinakagay. Ay, ay. MJ. Michael. Sweet. Ambal. Richie, Marley. Thank you guys. Thank you.